My name's David Majid. I'm attending Turner Job Corps. I just decided to come back in 2021 and get another trade in my belt. I'm doing plastering. If you ever want to come to Job Corps, you should do it. It's free education, free shelter, free food. You get to learn new things, meet new people, and experience a new life. There's many options that you have at Job Corps. You can do an apprenticeship. You can go to college afterwards. You can go to the military, or you can just go straight up do a job. There's so many options. Or if you even choose to stay longer, you can get a second trade. Like, say you want to be an electrician, you can go complete that and then do plastering. You'll be one of the most desired workers in Georgia or whatever state that you're in. You'll be, instead of you calling employers, they'll be calling you. The most important thing I got to say about coming to Job Corps is you have to worry about yourself. If you're not worrying about yourself and you're worrying about other people, you're hanging around the wrong people, then you won't get the education that you really want. You won't really experience the life that you desire. There's going to be a lot of people from all walks of life coming here, and if you're focusing on the right path, then you're gonna do great things.